Greetings, Dr. Dominique Reese here, and today is all about the financial action plan. So this is really simple. No need to make this more difficult than what it is because it's not difficult at all. A financial action plan is simply a document that you will use to help you get things done. That's it. You've got things to do to keep your finances in order. And of course, life happens. We are adulting. We have many responsibilities. So to keep these things a priority, we want to write them down. And then we want to reference the document that we're using to remind us. And you should be very specific about the details of the tasks and deliverables that you need to complete in order to get your finances in order. This could be anything from, call my service provider and explore a new plan. This could be research professionals to work with. This could be do the budget. This could be talk with my partner about the changes we need to make. Whatever needs to get done in order to get your finances in order is going to find itself on this financial action plan. And at the end of it all, you'll have a document full of things to do. So it may feel like a to-do list, and it is. However, you've been focused. You want to keep your momentum. You want to be able to get these things done so that you will get the results that you're seeking. So that's it. It's fairly simple. However, of course, if you have any questions or you need any support, just hit me up. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. All right. Peace.